Hi, welcome to PopArt. This video is essentially for people new to Canva. Just an introduction to Canva app. This is the Canva homepage. You can see there are a lot of options like presentation, social media, video and extra. On projects you can see the recent work we have done. On templates, there are a lot of options for everything from videos to presentations and brochures, menus, business card, anything. You can choose any templates you want from here and change them with your preference and use it easily. Canva is best and easy option for anyone, and it's fast and easy to learn. Not complicated or difficult to understand. For both professionals and beginners this can be helpful. From school projects to social media, working professional and business, Canva provide lot of options. On brand, there are brand kit which includes logos, colors, fonts, brand voice, graphics, icons, charts and others. This is especially for brands and this is premium. So after we pay for this service we can use the brand kit. On Canva AI we can use this feature for creating our ideas by using AI. Type what you want to create and Canva AI will produce the image or videos. To create your ideas, click on Create. It will open a new tab to create a design. You can choose any option you want. Videos or social media, photo editor, anything. You can also see templates. For example, let's choose poster. A new tab will open. We can see poster templates. We can choose one of them or create one according to our preference. On style we can choose any style we can, as you can see there are a lot of options. We can use the search tab to search for the style we want, and the same goes for templates. Let's take another example using creating an Instagram post. I'm going to use a template. Click on the template you want to use and it will add to the layer. To add text, go to Text. There are different text styles and different size text boxes. Like heading, subheading, body texts. We can choose any font or style we want. Add text to your poster, then we can change its size or color. On elements we can choose shape, frame, graphics, 3D or any designs. And then add to the poster. Same as text, we can change its size or position. We can search on elements and choose the design we want to add. Using Uploads option we can add our photos or graphics from our device. Hope this helped you and you can use Canva more easily. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Bye.